Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LGBS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one a few times last week, and for those of you that did watch that, then you know that I kept talking about over and over again that from the big picture of things, as long as the price was above that purple line, being the 50 period simple moving average, that the bulls were in full control, no questions asked. Well, you fast forward to today, and yeah, the price has fallen below the purple line. Now, does this mean that the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that. Does that mean the chart has lost some attractiveness? Yes. Again, no need to throw stones. There's a big difference between losing some attractiveness and being totally ruined. You can't say that the bulls are in full control right now, but by no means can you say that the bears are in full control either. Case in point, let's say, the price ultimately does decide to start to, bounce around here. And, so that becomes a new low. Price pulls one of these maneuvers and then heads back up. What would that give you from the big picture perspective? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. The previous set would be, basically down there before the big move happened. If you look at each of those as stair steps, well, hey, the stair steps are still going in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. The price is going to drift upwards. Again, I fully realize that if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there, or you bought right there, and you wanted to sell within 7.7 seconds, then yeah, for you couldn't care less about these overall stair steps, and the chart's not looking so hot for you. But I'm talking about things and making these comments based off the grand scheme of things perspective, the overall, kind of story of the chart, not just what happens within a day or two. So again, yeah, the price, I should say the chart lost some of its attractiveness, but there's still plenty of opportunity to build that higher base. And, heck, tomorrow all it takes is for the price to get right back above that purple line, and the price is back on the trajectory that it was already on. And, so everything bulls back in full control. And, now had the price closed all the way down there, well, then that's a little bit of a stretch. But the price is still within striking distance of that purple line. So we'll see what the bulls can put together tomorrow. But, to kind of answer the overall questions, is the chart ruined? Well, I don't know. It depends. I don't know what your strategy was going into it. Assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, then yeah, the price is pulled back, but pullbacks are part of the game. Pullbacks happen. As long as pullbacks occur and then bottom out at higher levels previous pullbacks, then that's how uptrends are constructed. So the week is young, still 4 days left. We'll see how the bulls close this week out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.